guys, we're back. It's Monday and we're just gonna get cracking on this 350Z. First thing I gotta do is mount the intercooler. We don't have all the fabrication parts yet, so I'm just trying to do like what I can today. And this takes a good minute to get it like perfectly centered, build the brackets and hang it nice so that it never moves on the car. We also have to build the outlet coming down. I was showing a little bit of that on the last video. But the first thing I gotta do is measure the intercooler for center. That way I can hang it correctly. We're gonna start there. Okay, we got that marked out just about center. The actual core is about 20 long by 3 thick. So this may not look like the biggest intercooler you've ever seen, and people are very confused about intercoolers and what they can actually effectively do. But if you think about it, all this air is coming through all these rows of cooling fins this direction. Super efficient. I've put this exact kind of core on cars, you know, well into the 600 horsepower range, which is totally adequate for what we're doing. I actually prefer this style. I think it's really clean to have both the inlet and outlet on one side, and I just think it's very, very efficient. So 3-inch core, 20-inch long, totally good for what we're doing. We're gonna go ahead and chop the one end tank and get the pipes routed the correct direction. So do that next. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start welding on some brackets and then we'll drill it for mounting it into the actual cross member. This intercooler angles down, so we're going to have to make one bracket straight and one bracket up and over to get it like perfectly level in the car. So I'm kind of getting down here low so I can tell if the actual intercooler is flat, which is pretty ridiculous. I suppose I could just raise the lift up, but I'm going to put the camera over here, guys. You can see if you think it's level. But it's kind of an optical illusion because, like I said, it's not symmetrical. Yeah, I think that's about as good as we're going to get. I think that's pretty darn straight. So this is kind of exciting. I never get to change up the boost piping part of an intercooler kit for a 350Z. This is my first time getting to do that, and now I get to do it my way. I think this is going to be awesome. If you think about it, like all the big K-series guys in the Honda world, they use this type of intercooler all the time, and it's very efficient for a high-flowing motor like the K20, K24. This thing's going to be freaking awesome. And now it's just fitted to the car so well. Okay, so we set the bumper up and it totally fits, and Raven kind of wanted to see what it would look like with some lights on it and whatnot, so it's kind of funny. Yeah, and it does that. That's pretty cool though. Okay, so I guess that fits. Not even a big deal. On to the next thing. Okay, so it's the next day and I was a little bit worried that the parts wouldn't come in very soon for the Raven car. And yeah, I was super wrong about that. Like everything came in today, like my porch was just full of like packages. So this is about half of the rest of it. So I think the large bulk of our metal supply is in here. This would be like all of our 304 stainless that we're using to like fabricate like the turbo, you know, manifold or up pipe, whatever you want to call it, part of the project. And yeah, all kinds of other things that we just need. Raven's car is still on the lift. Unfortunately, I won't be working on that today because, like I said, I have to fit in other work. But I do have another MR2 coming for tuning, which is kind of odd because in like all my days of tuning, I mean, I've never tuned like 2 MR2s in a row, which is kind of crazy. But it's like this weird thing in the universe. Like I tune like 1 Lexus and then like 3 more come, or I tune 1 Nissan and like 3 or 4 more come. Tune 1 Toyota MR2 and then the rest of them come. And oh man, check out all these parts. I just got done tuning that car, and so I'm about ready to open these boxes. I've been waiting all day to see all Raven's parts.
Explain something.
Hey guys, it's the 4th, so I'm obviously not working, but I just kind of want to finish out this video and say happy 4th to everybody out there. Hopefully you guys get to see some great fireworks or do some fun stuff. You know, maybe one day I'll be able to shoot some anti-lag out of the hood of this thing for 4th of July. That'd be pretty cool. You know, like goals. Anyway, hope you like this video, and I will see you guys in a few days with everything that we got going on the Raven car. Obviously, it's really getting there because we got all the fabrication parts in stock, so I'm ready. I'm just gonna go cut all the pieces up and get our turbo manifold and all our stuff built. I can't even wait to see what it does, so. All right, see you guys again in a few days.